Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your Earbuds EARFUN Air 2. And firstly, make sure that your headphones are charging. Put it to the charging case, charge the case. Now, if it didn't help you, make sure that you turn on your Bluetooth, and if it's turned off, just click on it. Now, this earbud should reconnect automatically with your phone, but on a iOS device we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at the earbuds at the device list. And now we should have connection. Here we go. You can also try to do this on your Android device. Sometimes it happens that the earbuds don't want to reconnect automatically. Now, next step, if the software set didn't help you, we need to perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. Open the lid, and at the bottom near USB-C port we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on your earbuds flash purple. So press and hold. First let's start to blinking blue. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding this button. Here we go, now you can release your finger. Then you need to go to the settings and Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on it. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you need to tap at your earbuds at the device list. And we did it. Also, I have one more solution, not resolution. For you, how to solve it is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also to find a similar path. So, on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to the general settings. So click at the general, then scroll down, and at the bottom we have a line transfer reset iPhone. Tap at this line, then click reset. Right here you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings on iOS located inside the network settings. Now write your password and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android, open settings, and we need to go to the system. So scroll down, system, then scroll down again, and at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset options. Tap at this line, then you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!